Hi children, today our lesson is people who help us. So many ways many people will help us daily in our life. Yes children? Yes. So today our lesson is people who help us. So some examples in the lesson is there that I am explaining you. Have you never meet this man? Who is he? Who is he? He is a Mr. Krishna. He is a postman. What is he? He is a postman. He is also one help for us. How means in the previous we don't have any mobiles, any televisions, any laptops, computers, all things we don't have. So we used to pass the message with the help of the bird, that is pigeon. Next, after some days after, it came as a small mobile phones, that all. But nowadays you are using many ways to send your friends, relatives, wherever they are staying, to directly through the mobiles or network, however you are using, like that you are passing the messages. Look at his uniform. So what is the uniform he is wearing, ma? He is wearing blue color uniform, but postman's dress is in khaki dress. It is light in green color, like that. Going to the next picture, who is she? She is Mrs. Jones. She is a nurse. What she is, ma? She is a nurse. Where she will work, ma? In the hospital. In the hospital only nurse will be there? No children. Who? Yes, doctor. Doctor. So she is take caring of the patient. So whatever the doctors will say, look at that patient. So nurse will be take caring of them. She is checking his temperature. Temperature means you have fever, then we will go to the hospital. So they will check the temperature for us. Who is he? He is a Mr. Akbar. He is a carpenter. He is making a wooden chair. What is the next, ma? Carpenter. What he is making? Wooden chairs. Now in our class, where you all are sitting, ma? Where you all are sitting? On the bench. Where you all are sitting? Bench. Who make that benches? This table, chairs, window, doors. These all are made with the wooden. Wooden means nothing but whatever the tree trunk is there, that is called as a wooden. With that help the carpenter. The carpenter is making the like this design windows, tables, chairs, whatever furnitures are there, we are decorating in our homes, that all it's made up of a wooden chair. And who will make that all? Carpenters. Who will make, ma? Carpenters. Going to the next picture, who is she? She is Mrs. Anthony. She is a baker. What she is? She is a baker. You know what is the baker, ma? You know what you will find in your bakery shops? Yes, you will go to the bakery shops and you will eat that, no? Whatever the eating food is there, junk food is there, you will eat that all junk food also. She makes cake, pastries and biscuits. The boy is buying a chocolate pastry. She has a big bakery shop. So whatever the in bakery shop items will be there, cake, biscuits, pastries, chocolate, pastries, that all she used to make in the shop and she will sell. So what we will call her? Baker. Who will prepare that all items we will call as a baker. Next, going to the next picture, who is he? He is Mr. Arun. He is a cricketer. What he is, ma? He is a cricketer. He is a cricketer. He plays cricket for our Indian team. So you know about very well about cricket. Yes children. So many countries will play two countries. What the cricket? Yes children. This is our lesson. Next we go to the page number 42. Go to the page number 42 children. Here find out the name of 6 people who help us in this word. What is this? In this words, whatever the words are there, here we have to find out 6 peoples who will help us. Yes children, page number 42. So see the first picture. What is the first picture, Maya? In his hand shoes is there. So who will make our shoes? Who? Yes, cobbler. Where is the cobbler, ma? Did you find here cobbler? So, next, going to the next picture, what is this, ma? I explain in the lesson only first. What is this? This is the uniform of the postman. You are seeing here? Yes? This is the, it is mehndi color, no ma? Yes, this is the uniform of the postman. See here, postman. So I am writing on the board, ma. Before only I wrote that postman, just to find out and circle that. Next one is, what is this? Next picture. Teacher. Yes children, teacher. Going to next picture. What is this picture? Something he is repairing there. See, bulb is there in his hand. What is this? Yes, electrician. Next, what is this next picture? He is a doctor. I wrote before only a spelling doctor. Yes children. And last, what is the last one? He will repair the taps. If in our home, if any repair work is there, taps work, he will come and repair. What is that person we'll call as? What we will call? Plumber. So these are the whatever I given on the board children, just you make the circles in this box, and whatever I wrote on the board, just you write in your class works.